Alright! Ayan. Ooh, so sick. Okay.
Machine. Now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore.
Oh, it's ridiculous.
It's been months and for some reason I just
Can't get over
Healthy ng hair. Salamat, Chicsilog.
longer than this.
enough is enough.
No more walking around, my head down. I'm so weak, crying over you, and I'm so sick of love songs.
So tired of tears.
So done with wishing.
You were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs. So sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio?
Gotta fix that calendar I had. It's March July 15. Because since there's no more you, there's no anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory, and how every song reminds me of what we used to be. That's the reason
Parang si Avery Wills sa komenta nito. Parang si Avery Wilson yung nag-cover nito.
leave me alone.
Stupid love song.
Stupid love song.
Don't make me think about a smile. Having my first child.
Let it go, turn it off the radio.
Still my song going on in my head.
Oh. Can you play Arizona B? Sorry, Migzy, no. I just did kanina. I'm playing... Ang sound trip ko ngayon, Motown. Tapos na si Arizona kanina. Maano vape mo? Nerd, alien. Bakit bilan mo ako? Tira. Wala na kasi, paubos na eh. Tira. Sponsoran niyo naman ako.
Come on, Harry, I want to say goodnight.
What's this? Harry style as it was. Ooh.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to hold up the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who will
Parang,
stay. Oh,
ano nga yung original?
in this,
Ay, okay. Gets ka na.
it's just us.
You know it's not the same as it was. Yeah.
In this world, it's just us.
Maanong course mo?
It's not the same as it was.
Bakit mo tinatanong, B?
As it was. You know it's not the same.
Babe, bakit mo tinatanong na?
Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell.
12 years na talaga akong graduate. Nung college. Bakit mo tinatanong? It's been 12 years, darling. Adolescent na yung edad nung pagkatapos ko ng kolehiyo. You know it's not the same as it was.
In this world, it's just us.
You know it's not the same as Nag-aral ka ng fashion designing, ma? Hindi ako nag-aral ng fashion design. Mga be, kaya nyong manahe at kaya nyong mag-design ng damit kahit hindi kayo fashion student. Kahit hindi kayo nag-aral ng fashion. Hindi fashion ang inaral ko, be. Theater ang aking tinapos. Gusto ko mag-take ng fashion design, ma. Pixie, maganda yan. Pero, do you want me to slap you with reality? Baka alam naman gusto mo. Tsare. Ayun.
Aren't you something to admire?
Madam, anong message mo kay Briggs?
Shine,
Hello.
something like
Bakit?
and I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. If you ever feel alone, glare makes me hard to
Thank you sa follow.
know that I'm always parallel on the other side.
Put your hand in my hand and
Pocket full of soul,
I can tell you there's no place.
we couldn't go.
Just put your hand on the glass.
I've been trying to pull you. You just gotta be strong. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy that's set in my heart. There's a space that now you're home. Show me how to fight. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back here to you once I figured it out. You were right here all along. My mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside me. Now it's clear as this promise that we made. Two reflections into one. 'Cause it's like you're my mirror. My mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. Aren't you something? An original. 'Cause it doesn't seem really simple, and I can't help but stare. 'Cause I see truth somewhere in your eyes. Ooh, I can never change without you. You reflect me, I love that about you. And if
4 years yun, madami kumuha. Mura lang ang tuition fee, cover lahat about fashion mail. Learn mo. Ano yan? Shumitsin. Ano yan, Shumitsin? Ano yan, be? Anong context yan, be? Most likely na filter, darling, yung comments may before this last two. Yeah. I assume, Shumitsin, you are commenting about someone who asked na plano niya mag-take ng fashion. Tama ba? Pero ano yan? Saan yan? Oo nga. Okay. Hindi po ba tumitigas yung fabric at hindi po ba madaling matanggal? Hindi. Siyempre, may matatanggal eventually, pero this is a fabric glue. So, it's meant for fabrics. There's not much I can say to that. It's meant for fabrics. So, it will work with fabric. Shumitsin, anong school tong sinasabi mo, be? Shumitsin, sagutin mo ko. Charing. Tain na kasi TikTok to, yung hirap namang ay talaga ba? Charing. Alam mo, matatapos na lang talaga yung taon, hindi na inayos ng TikTok tong filter words, ha? Pagpasok pala ng January, problema na namin itong mga streamer. Hanggang ngayon, magpapalit na ng kalendaryo, hindi pa rin inaayos. Wow! Talaga naman, TikTok. Thank you sa follow. You sell those, ma? This one? No, it's for me. I'm not there yet. I mean, pwede ko ng pagkakitaan, pero sa ngayon, yeah, it's for myself first. I mean, to start with, binalikan ko ang pananahi, hindi para kumita, kundi para sa sarili ko. So, let me enjoy it first. Oo. May mga nakapila naman ng kliyente. Oo. Hinihintay lang talaga akong umoo. At magparamdam sa kanila. Hinihintay lang talaga ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ko kayo papansinin. Saya-saya dito sa bahay mag-isa. Gagastos lang ako pag lalabas ako. Mahal-mahal. Gusto niyo pa lahat sa QC. Taga-tagig ako. Wow. From south to north. Parang ang mura ng Grab, ah. Maano ginagawa mo? Nagluluto ako.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, I get my groove from
Wait, what song is this?
so fine. I took
Peaches, Justin Bieber.
yeah. I get my light right from the soul. Yeah. I feel close.
Ooh.
It's the warmth of your touch pulling me in. I wanna hold you tight, darling. Never let go. When I say, oh,
Did I leave a spot?
leave my soul, yeah. I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah. I get my groove from California. So fine, I took my love up to the moon. Yeah, I get my life.
Course ko ng college? Teatro.
You ain't sure yet.
Bakit yung tinatanong?
All I could want.
Bakit yung tinatanong? Dahil ba gumagawa ako ng damit? Kaya niyo tinatanong ngayon?
Linger in my heart. Days we keep like treasures in the dark.
Wala ma, para may chika tayo.
No time.
Lumayas ka sa live ko.
I need more time to give you my whole life. I left my past back in my yard
Naaburido mo ako.
to leave.
Lumayas ka.
It's my burden
Doon ka sa tatay mo.
and I couldn't
Wala akong ibibigay sa'yo dito.
let the pain behind.
Doon ka sa tatay mo manghingi.
I got my
Kala mo,
peaches out in Georgia.
kala mo nagtatai ako dito ng pera?
I get my groove from California. So fine, I took my love up to the north. Yeah, I get my light right from the source. Yeah. Oh, I get this feeling. I know it's true. Hand in your hand, 'cause I'm bound to you. I can't pretend. I won't ignore you. My home. No need to know where I've been. Love done with distractions. My heart's with you. You're the one I need right in my arms. Your kisses taste so sweet like mine. I'll be right here with you till the end of time.
Anong title ng song? Peaches, Motown cover.
Isn't working.
Ooh!
I'm a tidal wave, question marks, and you're just surfing,
Mm!
leading into me like it's an art.
It's so crazy.
Lately, you just
Wait, is someone knocking?
stand my feeling.
Taas kong unit. Alam mo, hindi ko talaga ako anong meron sa taas kong unit. Araw-araw na lang silang ganyan. Parang laging may tao sa labas ng bahay ko. Parang, hindi ko alam kung negosyo to, bahay tong sa taas kong unit. Or talagang tamad lang talaga sila magbuhat ng furniture. Laging daus-daus. Chiniyo ka sa live. Nakakainis kasi. It's always like this. Hindi ko alam kung wala ba silang pakialam sa sahig nila? Are they that, are they that rich? They don't care about their tile situation or even the furniture. They just love to drag their stuff. Anyway,
Make me see I'm capable and fine.
I'm feeling beautified tonight. I'm ready to die. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes. Let's go. Maybe it's the magic in the wine. What's your favorite rap song that you like to lip sync? Marami eh. I love rap. Pero I gotta say, pinakagamit ko ang Without Me ni Eminem. And I'm ready to die. Cause the water's warm and nothing wrong and it's alright. Yeah. I'm coming over, diving in tonight.
It's crazy lately.
You just understand my feelings. Make me see I'm capable and fine. And feeling beautified tonight. I'm ready to die. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes.
Maybe it's the magic in the wine. I'm feeling loose. Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall, I lose it.
Think it's a gift, but you got me from my head to my feet. I'm ready to die. Ate, do you take HRT? Starlight, hindi ako trans, talaga. Hindi talaga, be. Oo. Sana tinanong mo muna kung trans ako bago mo tinanong kung nag-HRT ako. Diba? Kaya kailangan talaga natin ng Soji Billy. How long have you been living there po? 3. Tignan natin from sa malayo. Ano tsura nito? I lose it all, but you got me from my head to my feet, and I'm ready to die. All right. Kulang pa. Kailangan ko lang... Okay yung kinang, no? Pero kulang pa yan. I'll fill that out. Yeah, it's just a simple jumpsuit, you guys. And then with corset. Hello, Bobby! Morky ng palong-palo na yan. Oo, be. Huwag mo kong diktahan. Alam ko gagawin ko. Teka ka lang. Tinitingnan ko lang kung ano itsura sa malayo eh. Ha? Ikaw ba, Tumi? Wala pang 11 p.m. Bobby, ako to. Bobby, ako to. Bobby, di ba, alam mo naman kapag may ginagawa akong damit, di ba, minsan nagla-live talaga ako ng hapon. Di ba? Di ba, Bobby? Oh, tara. What was the song you were listening to po? Wait lang, let me look it up. I'm currently listening to Redbone. I don't know who. Donalda Clover. Wait lang, hanap tayo. Ito tayo. Ooh, let's listen to this. Ooh, Die With A Smile, Motown version. Yung previous po, I forgot, darling. Sorry, JRB. Hindi ko na
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
nobody's promised tomorrow.
Sleeps nga muna.
Love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. The party was over and our time on earth was through. I wanna hold you
Just for a while.
and die with a smile. If the world was ending,
I wanna be next to you. The saxophone is giving.
lost in the words that we scream. I don't even want
Ay, wala si Lady Gaga.
anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love, the only one worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where
Purong lalaki lang. Nobody's promised to.
so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you.
Just for a while. And I with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Right next to you, next to you, right next to you.
Masyado naman atang mababa, parang nakayoko na ata siya.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was
Dead mo na nga.
I wanna hold you just for a while.
What are you doing po?
With a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Alright! Theme song ng mga stalker. Tiyara. Ayan! A glorified theme song ng mga stalker. Tiyara. Hello. Fate of Ophelia? Ah, yung bagong song niya.
His legend has you, a crown of pirate, like a match to watch it glow. And if you never told me, I might have drowned in the melancholy. I swore my loyalty to me, myself, and I cried before you left. Keep it 100 on the land. The sky pledge allegiance to your hands, your team, your eyes. Don't care where the hell you've been. 'Cause now your mind's about to be the sleepless night you've been dreaming
That's so delicious. When po ulit bag decluttering nyo? Chay, meron pa akong bags na nasa Facebook talaga. Pinost ko talaga yon, be. Punta ka talaga, be, sa Facebook ko. Yeah, meron pang natira. I still have one Telfar bag. Actually, dalawa, pero hindi pa kasi nahanap yung isa. Yeah, pero I still have one Telfar bag, yung Telfar na monogram. I still have the Coach bag. I still have the Cat Kidston. And then, meron pa akong yung isang tote bag na ginawa ko, na tinahi ko. At saka mga vintage bags pa. Punta ka sa Facebook ko, be. Pili ka, purple or green? Depende. Sige, purple tayo. Para ano? Purple tayo para maiba green naman. Ay, hindi, green na lang para maiba purple. Curious question po, ano po ang iyong favorite Broadway musical? Parang ang hirap naman. Marami kasi, be. Parang hirap naman tanungin ng isang theater person kung anong favorite niya talaga, all-time favorite niyang musical. Parang, ang dami, be. Kasi iba-ibang rason kung bakit gusto natin ng isang show, eh. Di ba? I mean, I love Hamilton. I love A Chorus Line. I love Legally Blonde, the musical. I love Dear Evan Hansen. Ano pa ba? I love Chicago. I love Illinois. Ano pa ba? Madami, B! Ang hirap mo naman. I love Katie the Musical. I love Mula sa Buwan.
Now there's so many thoughts
Dami, be.
in my brain.
Na-check nyo na po yung Great Gatsby. Hindi! Kasi nung nasa New York ako, ano siya, conflict. Kasabay ng Chicago ang Gatsby. Pero nasa plano ko yun nung nasa New York ako last year eh. Nasa plano kong panoorin yung Great Gatsby. Kaya lang, wala eh. Sabay sila eh. Siyempre, mas bet ko sa Chicago, no? Bilang bading. Tsari. Bilang bakla, kailangan mapanood mo yun. Thank you, Bobby, sa gifts.
Feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a hoe, yeah. Devil in the form of a
O diba, Chay, hindi ka naman talaga, nagtanong ka lang kung kailan ang bag decluttering, hindi ka naman, may ka rin eh. Recommend po kayo ng playlist na peaceful, please. Marami akong playlist na peaceful eh. Search mo lang jazz playlist. Maraming lalabas. Adrian. Ah, ito pala yun.
All these scars can't help from showing. Whipping in the phone and the tears keep blowing. Ooh, I fall apart. Down to my core.
Highly recommend. Yung alin? Great Gatsby. Eh di kapag meron ng ulit pera at saka meron na ulit tayong pumunta ng US at kapag meron ulit nataon na Great Gatsby na run, yeah.
We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter,
Ang ganda ng mga Motown playlist na cover.
single bed.
Fairness.
Same room, yeah. Same room, same love. For the Lord provides the bread. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the shelter. Same room, same love. For the Lord provides the bread.
Thank you sa follow. Uy, bagsak kayo ng gifts ko meron kayo dyan ha. Kung di naman, kung okay lang naman, di ba? Kung may pangbagsak kayo gifts.
Right now, I'm willing and able, baby. So I throw my cards on your table.
Yan, Shalane.
It's my prayer tonight. I wanna love you, love and treat you right. Every day and every night. We'll be together. Ooh,
Thank you, Ru.
Yes, it is that I'm feeling.
Ru? Oh my God! Guys, nanonood sa akin si Ru! Sorry.
Yes, it's real love now.
Si Mama Ru. Wisit.
Oh, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know now. He knows now, he knows now. I'm willing and able, baby. So I throw my cards on your table.
Hindi talaga magiging RuPaul.
Ooh, I wanna love you. Oh, I wanna treat you right. Treat you right. Every day, every night, every morning light. We'll share the shelter. Share the baby. Share the biscuit. And God provides the bread. Yeah. This love. Yeah, this is love. Oh, this is love. Oh, this is love. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Alright! Sorry. Magandang gabi! Sorry. Oh my God, super bass! Nicki Minaj! Sige nga!
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like it's saving up. And he real, you might got a deal.
Oh!
And he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly coach. He a motherfucking trip, seller of the shit. When he make it drip, kiss him on the lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you get slapped if you're looking for. I think you choose me, you a hell of a guy. I mean, my mama, you like real up and fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Oh my God, this is so good! Oh my God! Hello! I-perform na yan.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, size, sticking in eyes. I can judge you're in touch with your feminine side. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell them who the F.I. is. I'm Ricky Limbaugh, I'm acting loser. Black cruiser, bitch, I could do boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Get your head up, boom, ba-doom, boom, boom, ba-doom, boom, baby. Yeah, that's the super baby. Boom, ba-doom, ba-boom, ba-doom, boom, baby. Yeah, that's the super baby. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom, ba-doom, boom, baby. Yeah, that's the super baby.
Pwede na pala mag what? Maano, evap mo? Nerd Alien. Cherry May Reyes, I love you. I-perform na yan. Oh, that's so cool. Complete. Pink Pony Club, okay. Dolly Parton. Motown. Ang pogi mo pala. Sakto lang. Ganda ng areglo. AI ba to? Grabe. Kung AI ito, ganito na ka-advance. God damn. Ate Tori, hindi ba nakakabulag ang pag-rhinestone? Bakit? Saan mo nakuha yan, B? Nakakaduling, oo. Yeah, yung duling understandable. Bulag. Parang ilang taon naman na akong drag queen at nakapagbato na rin naman ako sa mga panahon na yun. Parang, eto ba naman, 300 pa rin naman yung mata ko. Napanood nyo na po FMA ni Maxi? Yes. Oo. Ang galing nung usok. Ang galing-galing nung usok. Grabe. Sobrang galing nung usok sa performance sa FMA ni Maxi. Ay, Alokana. Ang power ng usok. Ang grabe. Ang galing-galing. Sobra. Legit.
I look and stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling.
Hello, Hale.
So on the plane.
Is that your name, Hale?
Just how you looking.
Really?
No one's can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me frozen.
So, okay na yun, be.
Texture is the best for a chinchilla.
Hindi na para
Feel the chain smoke.
kasresin ko
How
pa.
you think I got the name over? I've been realer, the game's over. Fall back young, ever since I made the change over to platinum.
Grabe po yung switching ng mood.
Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I'm not myself, baby.
No, I'm in a good mood in general. Yeah.
Myself, baby. I don't care, 'cause your love's got the best of me. And baby, you're making a fool of me. You got me sprung and I don't care who sees. 'Cause baby, you got me, you got me, you got me, you got me so crazy, baby. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now.
It's giving Jackson 5 yung areglo.
So crazy right now.
It's Jackson 5.
Got me hoping you praise me right now. Got me hoping you save me right now.
Ayan. Totoong tao na natapos na yung playlist ng Motown. Yeba na tayo. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, kept me warm in your love. Then you softly leave, and it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? Baba ng register. Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're my savior when I fall, yeah. And you may not think that I care for you, when you know deep down inside I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your How deep is your love? I really mean to love. Cause we're living in a world of fools, when they all should let us be. We belong. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to love. Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down. Hello. Tommy ako. Ay, may cookies pa pala ako. Wait lang. Sige, tapusin ko muna tong sleeve. Para habang pinapatuyo, kumakain ako. Alright! Charing. Change tayo ng song. What's this? Okay. AI!
And I give up every touch. Cause I know that you feel me somehow.
Oh my God, ang ganda ng...
You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I don't wanna go home right
Oh
now.
my God.
And all I could taste is this moment.
Gago, ang ganda ng version.
All I can breathe is your light. Sooner or later it's over. I just don't want to miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me. Cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I
Just want you to know who I am. Hello.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lives. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive.
It's both amazing and scary
The world to see me, 'cause I don't think
that AI does this.
when everything's made to be broken.
I just want you to know who I am. Di ba nakakaduling mag-stone, ma? Lumayas ka sa live ko, be. Pagsamahin ko kayo nung unang nagtanong, eh. Thank you. Actually, maganda yung version. Kaya lang, nakakaloka na AI pa lang gumawa niyan. Pero ang galing.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I
Ala.
don't think that they'd understand.
Hana, ba't mo naman
Everything's made to be broken. I just
Hana, Gina naman, be. Minute mo naman. Alam ko naman na joke lang yun, be. Ikaw naman.
want to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. And
1 minute lang. 1 minute lang yung mute. Okay. Okay.
I just want you to know who I am.
Miss you too.
Just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Lagi po akong 2 to 10 PM na duty. Okay. Kaya kapag nagla-live ako ng 10, Hindi mo na kaya. Oo, okay lang yun, be. Eh, ganun talaga. Nurse ka, be. Wala tayong magagawa dyan, be. Diba? Isipin mo na lang ginagawa mo to para sa bayan. Diba? You're doing this because may OT pa po yan. Kaya hindi ka nakakapasok ng live ko minsan, gets? Okay lang yun, be. Isipin mo na lang, magpapasko, kailangan mo yung OT na yan. Pero kung yung OT mo ay thank you, di na para, no? Ang sasagot mo lang talaga kapag walang bayad yung OT mo, ang lagi mo lang sasagot, in this economy? OTTY po, ay,
Just for two.
mali yun, be. Dapat lagi mo sasagot, Doc, in this economy? Wow! Diba, be?
I've gone much too far
For you now to say
that I've got to
love from Malaysia, receiving the love from the Philippines.
over dream.
Ano po name ng song? This one? Overjoyed.
Come true. Oh, just to find I have found what I've searched to discover. The Sandman has come from too far away for you to
Ito yung maraming magaling mag-runs eh.
some other day.
And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams until when I looked at you. And maybe too if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed, over love, over me. I love that. Oh. You know, bakit kasi hindi ko inaral yan dati?
Over heart,
Koral-koral pa ako.
I have painfully turned.
Mas mabenta naman pala yung kulot-kulot ngayon.
Oh,
Ilang taon pa akong nag-choir. Diyos ko. Kulot-kulot lang din naman pala ang mabenta.
I've come much too far for me now to find this love that I thought
Thank you sa follow.
would be mine.
Gobyernong tapat. OT, thank you lahat. Uy, mali yun, Hana.
Or did my dream
Hindi naman po,
come true when I looked
hindi naman porket government employee ka, kailangan thank you na. Eh di ba nga, dapat nga, mas may sahod pa nga kayo kasi, di ba?
over love? Oh,
Ay, nakasing korap yan eh.
and though the answer is probable,
What do they know? Foreign romance to leads in seconds, and maybe with a chance you will find you to the guy.
overjoyed, over love, over you.
No choice me. Gets ko naman.
Over me, yeah.
This bitch. Alam mo, Hana, mag-ipon ka na lang tapos dito ka na sa Manila magtrabaho. 'Di ba? Para at least malapit ka na rin sa kapatid mo. Tama? Call me up to meet you.
Static on the phone. Normally I need you this time. I don't wanna go. Lately I've been growing into someone.
Salamat. Johncel, okay lang kahit isang share lang, be. Okay na yun. No need to spam.
If I could, would it go back where we started? I know you're still waiting, wondering where my heart is. Praying things won't change, but the hardest part is you realizing maybe I listen. And what you're waiting for is that more.
Lapit na po siya mag-grad. Ay, totoo?
Oh, I held her up so highly, and me deeper than I smell. My opinions would define me. This time I made some for myself. 'Cause maybe I've been certain there's no further to go.
At saka Hana, tapos ka na ng masters. Mas mataas ang sahod mo.
And you should know, know, should know. So
Di ba?
if I could, would it go
Obi, pag dito ka nag-nurse,
I know you're still
waiting, wondering when my heart is.
praying things won't change.
sinasabi ko talaga sa iyo, be, gabi-gabi ka talaga na nasa mga drug bars. Sure yun.
Maybe I ain't the same.
Sure yun, be.
Waiting for it, then no more.
May masters ka, tapos mag-nurse ka dito sa Manila.
Okay,
Diba?
I'm gonna
Siyempre, I mean, hindi ko alam kung anong stand mo when it comes to working abroad, pero kung Manila na lang at least, diba?
I was only 18.
You should've known.
Naniniwala ako, feeling ko, linggo-linggo ka talaga nasa rampa, nanonood ka talaga ng mga drag queen. Sure yan.
I know you're still waiting, wondering my heart is.
Feeling ko tambay ka ng rampa. Swear.
But the hardest part is you realizing
Maybe I ain't the same.
ain't there no more.
Ay!
Ain't there no
No
more.
more, no more.
There no more.
No more, no more.
Ain't there no more.
Nagsashow ka pa din po. Hindi na, be. Trip na lang to.
Realizing maybe I
Wait lang, sampay ko lang.
ain't the same. Waiting for it, then no more anyway.
Pwede po mag-ask why. Hindi eh.
There's one thing I know for sure. Every day I want you warm.
Thank you.
Dancing in the night we made.
Oh my God, who's
We
this?
don't have too much to say. I want you more. And for right now,
Ganda.
as we lay, oh how I remind you how you helped me find my way in this place I've never been. You always bring me home again. You help me find my way. So hold me,
Kain tayo, cookies!
'cause every time we together, love, I want you more.
Do you listen to Taylor Swift songs? Jeff, sorry, I'm not a fan of Taylor.
Right now, as we
Hmm.
remind you how you helped me find my way
Thank you sa follow. Matcha. Matcha white chocolate.
Just a moment, 'cause our time is never enough. I want you more.
Legit talaga, be. Kuya, nagpa-jack all ka na. Alam mo, Faith, nagets ko yung comment mo. Kaya lang, nakakaya sa pangalan mo, no? Yeah. Good evening, Faith. Such irony. Diba? Your name is Faith, your last name is Cruz. And you comment, good job. Don't get me wrong, I'm not being hypocrite. It's just that pwede kita sabayan, kaya lang on a public stream, I don't even know how old you are, darling. So, ang laki po ng pinayat nyo. Idol. Idol mo mukha mo, tapos ngayon, idol pero ganyan reaction mo. Ang laki ng pinayat ko. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo ako nasubaybayan. Paano mo tinawag na idol? Eme! Yes, Sakay. Sarap. Mga be, tawag dito, gano'n siya ka-legit. Bitch. Hindi, stock. Hindi, so, bumili lang ako ng 4 na matcha, and then, si Tien kasi, yung friend ko, pinadalhan ka hindi, binilan ako ni Tien, yung friend ko, nanonood siya dyan. Binilan niya ako ng choco chip. Siya nagpadala sa akin. Hindi ako aasa sa... Girl, small business yun. Ba't tayo hihingi ng free food sa kanila? Kaya nga ako gumawa ng video because diba sabi ko nga, support local business. Small cafe lang sila, big. I'm not gonna do that. If they're going to send me cookies, I'll appreciate it. Pero I'm not the one who will ask. I'm not that. Yes, support even family. Yeah. Hi ma, kahit mapansin lang. Namamansin naman ako be, basta maayos lang ang comment. Minsan nga kahit di maganda yung comment eh, binabasa ko lang naman. Yeah. Pero, wait lang. Play lang tayo ng... Let me just play some... Pa-Japanese muna ako. Namiss ko lang mag-Japanese song. Yeah. Mga be, bumili kayo. I swear, masarap siya. How much per piece? Ano siya? 160 pesos, 2 cookies na. Palm size. Tsaka legit siya. Especially the matcha. Ceremonial grade ang gamit nila. Sure ako. Kung matcha lover ka, you will appreciate this. Kasi legit, be. Kimochi ga areba 160. Blooming mo lagi. Salamat. Super blooming. Thank you. Kasi you know what? Sorry. Mag-commercial dada. Because as a lactating mom, I always make sure that I always look glowing whenever I go on live stream. Kaya naman, I take Nido Fortified. Sasoi namida no hi ga ochiru Ellie, my love, so sweet Ellie, my love, so sweet. Flavor na gusto ko, matcha. Yung choco chip cookies nila, bumili rin ako kasi apparently, masarap siya kapag malamig. Pa-request po ng daite. Anong daite, be? Ellie, my love, so sweet. Waratte motto, baby, mujaki ni on my mind. Utsute motto, baby, suteki ni inasai. Papansin po. Hello po. So happy for you, ma. Living your life and being always that girl. Not true. Living my life, of course you have to live your life. You have no other choice. Being that girl, yeah, you could say that. But it's not always a good day. Yeah. yan. Cookies na ubos na. In fairness sa akin, mayabang ako. Kumain ako ng cookies at tsokolate na hindi uminom ng gamot. Dahil marami akong cookies, kakain pa ako ng isa. Deserve ko yun. Kasi ang dami ng pinawis ko kahapon. Ang lakas ang trip ko kahapon. 3 beses ako nag-workout. Umaga, hapon, madaling araw. At naglinis pa ako ng tiles. At nagkuskus pa ulit ako ng tiles ng 3:00 na madaling araw. Diba? Trip kong kay Bangis, this oras ng gabi naglilinis. Anong gamot yun, ma? Yung alimbe? Lactose intolerant kasi ako eh. So, I take lactase enzyme para maiwasan kong sumakit yung tiyan. Kasi ang epekto sa akin ng dairy ay borborygmi. Yung iba, talagang awa ng Diyos, hindi ako ganung level. Yung iba kasi, ang epekto ng dairy sa kanila, talagang bulusok. Sa akin, masakit, pero hindi ko kailangan pumunta ng banyo. So, borborygmi is a condition kung saan kumukulo yung tiyan ko. Kumukulo lang talaga siya. Hangin. Tas masakit siya. Tapos, kahit tulog ka, gigisingin ka niya sa sakit. Ganun yun. Yeah. Medyo, siya. Severe siya sa, Pero ngayon, siguro rin dahil pumayat na ako, kaya medyo nabawasan yung sakit. Pero grabe, sobrang ang bilis ng epekto sa akin ng dairy. Wala pang 5 minutes talagang alboroto talaga yung tiyan ko. Pag kumain ako ng dairy, wala pa 5 minuto sabihin ng tiyan ko, mayabang ka today. Sabihin ng tiyan ko, mayabang ka today? Pag matapang ka, magagatas ka, tsokolate ka pa, teka ka. Kalang play tayo. Blessing to those drag artists with good heart and attitude. Are you referring to me? Thank you, appreciate that. I only feel me when I review. Till I can ask how myself up to for how much am I waiting, anticipating. Alam mo, ilang drag queen na napanood kong nag-perform itong Where's My Husband? Pinerform lang para sa ngalan ng pangunguha. Ay nako, sana inaral muna yung lyrics. Thank you sa follow. I'm doing lonely acrobatics and zipping my dress at 2 a.m. and I'm tired of it like this. You must be out of the weird trying to fix this style. I love this way your wife is crazy. Going and I get it up too far. How much am I gonna love you? No one above you. Praying to the Lord to hurry you along. Baby, I ain't fit to rush. Must need me complete. How my heart yearns for him. Is it far away? Is he okay? Teka nga, magagamot na ako, pangalawang cookie na to eh. I need you to tell me. Ang oras natin ngayon, 7:31. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng Lactojoy. Lactojoy. Siguradong joy ka sa joy. Salamam, salamam, salamam ka, salamam, 5'5", salamam, girl, man, if you kiss me from me, I'm gonna die, I'm so kidding. I want it. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I would like a big and shiny diamond that I could wave around, talk about it. More than days, if forgive me, God, that I could ever doubt it. You see your body. This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband?
Your husband is coming.
I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I would like a big and shiny. Where is my husband? Asa na nga ba kasi, Lord? Lord, ang dami ko na suggestion talaga. Dami ko talaga suggestion, Lord. Nasa na talaga yung husband ko ba? Anong patutugin natin? Let's play some... Teka lang, let's look for... May bagong labas ba ang 9 Degrees North? Baka may bago silang upload. 9 Degrees North. Sinong ano nila? Nobela, join the club. Minsan lang naman, Grace Note. Excuse me. Na para bang may Excel sheet si Lord ng suggestions niya. Oo, be! Alam mo, lalo na, tuwing may nakikita talaga ako na ano, pag may nakikita ako sa internet, lalo na sa personal, sabi ko, like, ugali ko talaga, Lord, ganyan lang oh. Diba? Lord, ganyan lang. Like, tapos yung sinuggest ko sa'yo dati, Lord, alam mo na, mga, ano, ganun. So, sana naman keeping tabs lang yung mga angels na, Lord, si Bakla, meron na naman pinapadagdag sa gusto niya. Sabi niya, type mo lang. Ipagpipray natin yan na magkaka-husband ka na soon. Oo. Jawa muna, wag mo na husband. Oo, parang boyfriend muna be, talaga. Oo, wag mo na husband. Para, kasi ilang beses na ako munti ko magka-husband eh. Oh my God. Oo, be. Parang, sabi ni Lord, up, hindi pwede. Mahanap o rin dawan mo ma. Oo naman, alam ko naman yun, be. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Kayo naman, para I know. Huwag kayo mag-alala, I'm good. I'm just joking, you guys. Hinahanap ko nga eh. Teka nga, baka nasa... Hinahanap ko eh. Pinatugtog ko na kanina yung Arizona Bee eh. Pagtugtugin ulit natin yung Arizona Bee. Wala man. Si Olivia din naman. Buong araw talk to me ng talk to me. Ayan, ito na. Sarap talaga po.
Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me? Brandy short, 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 short. Brandy short, 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 short. Brandy short, 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 short. Brandy short. Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me?
Patugtog niyo po, dapat pakak-please. Ay, Danton hindi. Okay na yung kay Arizona B. Oo.
Arizona B, B is for booked, B is for blessed, booked, blessed and busy. Are you feeling to be fantabulous? Sashay though we still marvelous. Never guess to do the more, I'm ready for what more. Pag sinabi ko gawa, bakla, bilis. Sa paligid ang
What's your motto in life?
basta ako ecstatic, ecstatic, fantastic. Dalakad ako sa EDSA ang tra.
Favorite ko to, yung part na to, yung EDSA traffic at saka yung Lynn from Las Vegas. Sobra!
Are you liking this song so far? If so, this opportunity may be for you, maybe for you, maybe for you, you. Arizona B, B is for Vegas, modals.
Teng!
B is for beautiful, Arizona B.
Love, 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 love. Sobrang love.
Arizona B, B is for bulldogs, 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 bulldogs. Arizona B, B is for bulldogs, 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 bulldogs. B is for bonding, yes, that's the branding. This song is popping. I wanna go boom boom booming, taking, fantastic, and no, I ain't bluffing. I'm blazing up, I'm beaming out, and that's on me. It's Arizona B, baby.
Love. Such a good song. $251 views, love, in 5 days. Sana mag 1 million views. Sana mag 1 million views si Arizona. Sana mag 1 million views siya.
And I
Wait lang. Hanap lang tayo ng... Yan, OPM Chill. Hello, Chalita! What are you eating, ma? Matcha cookies. Play ka XG song. Ay, mamaya. Huwag ka mag-alala, Pandesal. Hindi kita bibikuin dyan. Anong favorite lipstick mo? Wala ibe. Kung ano yung stock ko. Wala akong favorite. Pero currently, I'm using... My lipstick is from NYX at saka Jeffree Star. Yun yung current kong lipstick. Mamaya na to. Pinoy na Pinoy! Tinira pa. Bakit ba? Ayoko na eh. Okay, sarap. Ma-suggest pencil eyeliner na di nagsismudge. Easy. Easy. Legit. Mahaba pa yun, be. Aabot yun sa'yo ng matagal. Sobra. Nasa level na yung eyeliner pencil ng Easy, nasa level na ng kailangan mo na talaga ng kuskus para mabura siya. Ganong level. Excuse me. It's really good. I don't know how much is it though. Yeah. Pero yung binigay nila sa akin 2 years ago na from PR, hanggang ngayon di pa siya ubos. So happy to catch your live, ma. It's my birthday today. Ooh, happy birthday. How do I say this? Abratik? Abratik Dom? Dom Abratike? Tama ba? Dom Abratike yan? Binaligtad mo lang, tas it's Abratike. Tama ba? Abratik. Ah, okay. Abratik. Real name mo yan, be? Ganda, ah. All right. Ayan. 7:43 ng gabi. Thank you sa follow. Thank you sa gifts. You're welcome, Elle. Also, Elle, I have to say, the high precision liquid liner ng Easy, it's also a good investment. Sa sobrang ganda niya, tinitipid ko talaga siya. Pang corner ko lang siya sa sobrang bongga niya. Ganon siya kabongga. At it's really pitch black. I don't know also how much is it, pero it's also worth investing on. So yeah. So Easy, the pencil liner and the liquid eyeliner. They're really good. Hello from Cebu. Hi from Taguig. Thank you sa follow. Anong brand speaker mo ang clear? TV, be. Nasa television. Speaker, nasa TV ako, be. Oo, be. TCL lang yan. Oo. Tamang rewatch lang ng Lip Sync for Your Life. Kamis ka mag-perform, ma. Hindi naman ako tumigil sa pagpe-perform. Hindi lang masyadong, madalas. Follow mo ko. May mga video talaga ako sa IG talaga, be. Follow nyo talaga ako. Para rin naman, hindi nyo na tinatanong kung nagdadrag pa ako. Diba? Kayo rin eh. Ang blooming talaga pag buntis. I know, right? Kaya naman, I take Nido 45. Visit.